So, first of all, what is E-Ink, the company?
Yeah, I think E-Ink is a technology company and provide e-paper display technology. So what is difference between the LCD and e-paper? So you can see the e-paper is a reflective display, so we have a very good viewing experience, and we also very light, you can see this, and of course our e-paper is very low power consumption, so we can use like the wireless or even the thin battery to power on our display. So what is the benefits if we use our e-paper on the smart packaging? I think our e-paper can provide like some tutorial, some instruction, and even the warning sign to our to the smart packaging, and provide this content without any additional device. Yeah, and more than this, I think our e-paper technology can enable the sustainable, the reusable application. So this is the reason why in this time we have a chance to collaborate with our partner RyPax about this part. Yeah.
Yes, and RyPax, what are you actually doing in this concept?
RyPax is actually one of the largest producers of high-end molded fiber in the world. Our solution actually replaces plastic and thermoform. Plastic, thermoform, and foam, basically. So the goal is a pharmaceutical use case primarily in China. By integrating e-ink technology with molded fiber, what we can actually do is develop a medical packaging that is reusable. Our entire goal is sustainability. So the more times that we can actually use the packaging through the use of e-ink technology, changing the display using a mobile phone, or the medical practitioner can also change the display on the box. That is actually our goal. And we plan to roll a lot of this out in 2020.
Is this a new cooperation?
Oh, RyPax is actually...
No, but I mean the cooperation between the two of you, is it new?
We actually met each other last year at AIPIA, so it's a very good story. Yeah. We met each other last year and we started talking immediately after the show. So it was an excellent fit for both of us. And all through this year, we're developing prototypes and working together on mainly opportunities in the Chinese market.
Yeah.
So did you meet here on this show?
Yes, in last year.
Exactly.
Last year, yeah.
So you can say AIPIA, connecting companies.
Yes,
exactly.
That's right.
It was a wonderful event for us last year.
That's right.
That's why we're actually exhibiting this year.
But is anything of this out on the market yet, or is it just the prototype so far?
Right now, for pharmaceutical, it takes 6 months for any prototype to be approved. We have already done the initial submission for these samples. It will still be Q1, Q2 2020 before anything will hit the market. But we're in the approval stage.
And can you maybe tell us very simple how e-paper actually works? Because for me it's not quite clear. How does this work? Does it need any battery? Does it need anything?
Actually, we use white and black particle with the positive and negative charge, and we just put these two particles together, and then we can use external electric field to control the particle movements. So that's why we can see the black and white. And because our material is very special, we have a specific feature we call bistable. That means when we push our particle on the right position, and then the particle can keep this position without any power. So this is the reason why our e-paper, the display technology, is so low power consumption. Yeah.
And in your presentation earlier today, you mentioned that e-paper could be useful in the whole logistic chain. Is that true?
Yeah, okay. So basically, our e-paper can be applied into the entire supply chain, right? Yeah, from the supplier to provide the material to the factory. So we have an intralogistic packaging. So in this case, we have a container and we have a reusable e-paper label. We can show some barcode to change on demand by the different position. For a product packaging, our e-paper digital display can add some like the timer or temperature to provide other useful information. For example, for this one, paper combine the timers, so we can easily to push this button to record the time we take this medicine and without any additional like the mobile phone or rely on other people, right? And for the this product, when we make the product, we ship this product to the end customer. The logistic packaging with the e-label also can be very powerful because we only put we only show the address, shipping address on our the digital display and to the end customer. If end customer don't like this product, you just push one button and the display can show the return address. Very simple, very easy. Yeah.